Well, we're on the way to Monkey Bay, and Dave is not happy about people in the van. This pickup. Let me show you how many people we have.
There's no more room. That's it. Sorry. No more. No more. That's it. I don't care what they say. Sorry, you have to catch the next bus. No room. No room. There's no room. Sorry, you're going to stand outside.
Dave, they got to earn money, so let them get it.
I don't give a fuck what they
Hey,
want.
come on, come
Our
on.
problem.
Don't be like that. You can sit in the middle. You can come in there. You sit in the middle there. Don't sit. You can't sit on that. Yep. There you go. All right. There's another one. Now here's another one. You come sit in the middle.
Like flies.
That's it. Huh?
Flies, man.
Yes, it is a little bit overcrowded here, but that's how we roll here in Africa. So I'm sitting up top here, and off we go, Mr. Driver. Let's go, buddy. We're good. Woo-hoo!
Cannot sit. No. No, this is rugged.
Go on, Dave.
Protecting your bag, man. They want to sit on it.
Can't sit on the bag. You can't sit on my bag because I've got tapes in there, so you can't sit on my bag, unfortunately. Yeah, thank you.